Here I've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let me start with this first code, very quick one and short one. It's *#06#, and as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your Motorola. So just click on OK to go back. That would be all for this first code. And now it's time for the second one, truly useful, and it is *##, 4636 #**. And now we are in testing mode, in which you can find phone information, user statistics, Wi-Fi info, test alerts, and NFC settings. So let me open phone info at first, and here you can come along with email number, phone number if you have your SIM card included, then also device service, voice service, signal strength, data network type, and many other truly useful details. You can also perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test right here, and here you've got the answer. So let me go back. Now let's open user statistics, and here you can come along with detailed information about your apps. Here you've got all of them included, and for example, if you would like to check usage time of some particular application smoothly, you can do it here. Then let's open Wi-Fi info, and here you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you can come along with disable, disconnected networks, enable networks, configured networks, and also the whole detailed connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got all configured networks, so current networks are included here. And then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can come along with the current status of your network. This mode also allows you to perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test, and this is it. So let me go back. And now under Test Alerts, just click here. You can show CMAS test alerts if it's active, but as you can see now it's not active. I do not have my SIM card included, but once it's entered, then it's easy to perform. And now you can also check the NFC settings. Just click here, and now open it to come along with the root. So that would be all for this second code, and it's time for another, and it is *##, 426 ***. And here you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to open advanced view, just tap on the more icon, click on advanced view, and now you can come along with some further details. This is it. And another truly useful code, actually the last one for this phone, is *##, 225 ***. And this is the calendar info, so all events, celebrations, important dates, meetings that you've got in your calendar will be displayed here, so you will not forget about any important event, as everything will be stored in one place. Here you've got it. So this is it. This is all secret codes that you can use in your Motorola Moto Z. Enjoy and use them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.